To get the free notes of electrical circuits, check the link in the comment section and install the app for free. Nodal analysis. Question: find the current through 2 ohm resistance. Here in this circuit, we have to find the current through this 2 ohm resistance by using nodal analysis. Solution: first of all, let's assume this is a node A and this is node B. This node voltage is VA and this node voltage is VB. And let's assume this is a reference node or ground node with zero voltage. Let's say this is current I1, this is current I2, this is current I3, this is current I4 and this is current I5. All the currents towards this reference node. Now here at this node A, we will apply KCL. So apply KCL at node A. Now here we can see, according to KCL, that is Kirchhoff's current law, summation of all the currents entering a node is equal to summation of all the currents leaving the node. Now here we can see, at this node the entering current is I1. Here we can clearly see I1 is equal to 6 ampere. So first we will write I1 as it is, then is equal to leaving currents. The leaving currents are I2 and I3. These are the leaving currents from this node. So here we can write I2 plus I3. Now here this I1 is equal to 6 ampere. So here we can write 6 is equal to I2. Now this I2 will be VA minus 0 divided by 4. VA minus 0 divided by 4, then plus I3. Now this I3 will be VA minus VB divided by 2. VA minus VB divided by resistance value, that is 2. Now let's simplify this. So it will be 6 is equal to VA by 4, then plus VA by 2 minus VB by 2. Now here if we take this VA common, so it will be VA in bracket 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So it is 0.75. 0.75 minus VB, or we will take plus VB common and this will be minus 0.5 is equal to 6. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now next we will apply KCL at node VB. Apply KCL at node B. Now here we can see at this node the entering currents are I5 plus I3. So I5 plus I3, it is equal to I5 plus I3 is equal to I4. Now here the value of I5 is, here we can see I5 is equal to 24 minus VB divided by 6. 24 minus VB divided by 6 plus I3. Now this I3 value will be VA minus VB divided by 2. VA minus VB divided by 2 is equal to I4. Now this I4 value will be VB minus 0 divided by 5. VB minus 0 divided by 5. Now let's simplify this. So it will be 24 by 6. So this will be 4 minus VB by 6 plus VA by 2 minus VB by 2. If we take this on left side, so it will be minus VB by 5 is equal to 0. Now here we can see this VA. If we take this VA common, it will be VA in bracket 0.5, then plus, now if we take this VB common, so this will be minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6, then minus 1 by 2, then minus 1 by 5. So it is minus 13 by 15 minus 13 divided by 15. Now if we take this 4 on right side, so it will be minus 4. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now we got two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So solving equation 1 and equation 2. So if we solve these two equations, then we get mod 5, then 1, 0.75, then minus 0.5, then 6, and here from equation number 2 this will be 0.5 minus 13 by 15 minus 4. So therefore VA is equal to 18 volt and VB is equal to 15 volt. Now we got this nodal voltages, but we have to find the value of the current through 2 ohm resistance. So the current through 2 ohm resistance is I3. So here we can write I2 is equal to I2 ohm is equal to I3, and this I3 is equal to VA minus VB divided by 2. VA minus VB divided by 2. The value of VA is 18, the value of VB is 15 divided by 2. So this will be 18 minus 15 divided by 2. So it is 1.5 ampere. 1.5 ampere is the value of I2 ohm. So I2 ohm is equal to 1.5 ampere. So this is how we can find the value of current by using nodal analysis. To get the free notes of electrical circuits, check the link in the comment section and install the app for free. Thanks for watching.